like a stone onto your island. But everywhere I go, only echoes in the silence.
Millions of people visit Florida every year, but only a few really know about the local destinations that we keep hidden from the tourists. We're gonna give you a list of all the different areas that once you visit, you'll feel like a local from day one. Lover's Key State Park. It's between Fort Myers Beach and Bonita. Most tourists drive right past it, and to be honest, we're guilty by that standard because we drove by it for the last 4 years until recently. Two ways to enter the beach. Either you can take a tram or you can walk in. Just remember, these two ways to get into the beach usually keeps crowds away. So if you're looking for an intimate experience on the beach and have like more of a wild experience where there's no condos built behind you, this is gonna be a great place for you. We usually do the walk-in, me and my son, because we fish off at that beach, and it's usually a 10 to 15 minute walk from the parking lot, which is not terrible. It is a walk though. This is about 1,300 acres across 4 barrier islands, much larger than Delnor Wiggins. 2 miles of pristine Gulf Beach plus inland waterways. It's great for kayaking, shelling, it's great for canoeing. It's an amazing place, and again, incredible value, only $8 per vehicle. It's one of the best deals in Florida. Delnor Wiggins Pass State Park, Naples. Just north of Vanderbilt Beach, arguably more beautiful, almost nobody knows it. Just remember, it's one of Southwest Florida's most pristine barrier island beaches, consistently ranked among the best beaches in the US. You have a boat ramp, you can go fishing there, swimming, has incredible shelling, and incredible value, only $6 per vehicle. For best experiences, go early morning on a weekday. Mercatos North Naples, not a mall, a lifestyle destination where Naples locals actually go out Friday night. We absolutely love it there. It's an upscale open air mixed development, one of the premier dining, shopping, entertainment destinations in Southwest Florida. It's outdoor lifestyle center, over 20 restaurants ranging from casual to upscale. It's got one of the coolest cinema. It's the Silver Spot Cinema. It's one of the nicest movie theaters in the region, luxury seating and full bar. We have rooftop bars and an actual nightlife there. Blue martinis, also burned by Rocky Patel. Well, get this, you can actually smoke a cigar, dance, have a great time indoors and not get ticketed or kicked out of there. So it's pretty cool. It's actually bringing me back to my old clubbing days. But also, if you're not into dancing and smoking cigars, you can smoke your cigar in the patio and just watch the nightlife as it enters into North Naples, which you absolutely love. Why we love Mercatos as well? It's multifaceted. So you got nightlife, you got great restaurants, you got great shopping, you got lifestyle. The fifth most important thing for me, because I'm a huge car fan, huge car buff, love them to death, is that every third Sunday they have an amazing car show that's basically all these great, either it's vintage or hypercars or multi-million dollar vehicles just parked out on the main drag of Mercatos, and you get to enjoy the show every third Sunday for free, which is awesome. It brings the community out, it brings smiles on the kids' faces. It's amazing. It's a great environment. This is why we love Mercatos, because number one, it's in the center of all of Southwest Florida and it has so much to offer.
I've been trying to roll like a stone onto your island.
Another cool destination, Lakes Park, Fort Myers. This is a 279-acre park that's located in the heart of Fort Myers. You can go fishing, kayaking, canoeing. It'll all be on fresh water. It has paved biking and walking trails, splash pad for the kids. You can go rock climbing, which is awesome. Also, what's really cool, it has a miniature railroad and train village. Also community gardens, fragrance gardens. Also, if you're a bird watcher, it has great birding trails located in the 279 acres, farmers market weekly. It has picnic pavilions and food concessions all around the park. You can rent a boat, you can rent a bike on site. It has free Wi-Fi, which is great, and it's really affordable. It's $1 per hour or 5 hours for a full day of parking, so entry is free. Imperial River, Bonita Springs. Most people drive right through Bonita Springs and never stop. It's a huge mistake. We love Bonita. Just remember, the Imperial River runs through the heart of Bonita Springs, emptying into the Estero Bay and ultimately the Gulf. You're going to start your journey in downtown Bonita off the Old 41, which is one of our favorite places to go. Why? It's because it has an old Florida charm that's getting harder to find in obviously the commercialization of all of Florida. What's amazing down there, it's popular for kayaking, canoeing. You're gonna have calm, scenic, and relatively easy paddling, lined with mangroves, offering great wildlife viewing like manatees, otters, herons, and also egrets and ospreys. Also great for fishing. If you wanna go snook fishing, redfish, tarpon are common in the area. You're gonna have several local outfitters offer kayak and paddleboard rentals and guided tours through the river if you're not comfortable on your own. And again, it's downtown Bonita Springs. It's amazing. You should all visit it. Those are the 5 spots that tourists never find when they visit Florida. As a local like myself, we've been down here for 4 to 5 years now. These are our everyday life. This place gets your soul. And what's important when you are looking to buy a house, you have to have the community that matches your lifestyle. That's why we're here for you. And what we do with buyers is we get on a Zoom call, we pre-screen all your needs and wants, and the ultimate goal is finding the community that matches your family's lifestyle and wants.
I've been trying to roll like a stone onto your island. But everywhere I go, only echoes in the silence. You